Hello, welcome my dear students. Welcome to English phonics class. Myself Rajmati Theng from Buldana. I am taking English phonics classes in Buldana. Today I would like to teach alternative sound of O. In this class we have already seen that every letter having its own sound also and it having its name also. In my first previous video I have taught the sound that is O-W-O. Today I am teaching you the next sound that is O-A-O. It is also alternative sound of O. We have already seen that O, then some words of O, then O-W-O, it is the alternative sound of O. For example, bro, crow, grow, it is the alternative sound of O. And I have already made one video about this sound that is O-W-O. If you would like to know, you can watch that video that is the alternative sound of O. Today I would like to teach O-A-O. It is also alternative sound of O. So letter O, its name is O, and O-W-O and O-A-O. So today's sound is O-A-O. See some example: boat, foam, load, roar, float, goat, roast, toast, coach, throat, brooch. In this word, you see this O-A-O is pronounced as the O. When you are reading that words, at that time to this O-A-O, we say it as the O. So O-A-O, it is the alternative O. Alternative sound of O. It is also O. Then again when students write down, they are confusing that they should write down O-W-O or O-A-O. Here student can write down B, O-W-O, T. Then spelling is wrong. Then how student understand that is which O student should write down. So the rule of this O-A-O sound is O-A-O, it comes in the middle of the word. Most of the word it comes in the middle of the word. There are very few words in that it comes at the starting of the word. For example, oak, or, of, like that, very few words in that this O-A-O comes at the starting of the word. But in most of the word it comes in the middle of the word. So today's sound is O-A-O. It comes in the middle of the word. Then you have to take practice of your child. You have to dictate them the words and student write down in their notebook. Thank you.